Hello everyone, I'm Sarah of Rich Textures Crochet and welcome. Today we're going to learn how to crochet the Subtle Lines Crochet Stitch pattern. As you can see here in the camera, we have these subtle lines of texture that run horizontally along our fabric. They're quite easy to work, they're quite pretty, and are perfect when you want just a little bit of variation in a project. This is the front side of our stitch, and then the back side of the stitch. You can't quite see the same pattern. For our tutorial today, we're going to need a little bit of a worsted weight yarn. This is the Pima Cotton by Lion Brand, as well as a 5mm or an H8 crochet hook. There are links to these items in the description of this video. Also down in the description, you'll find a direct link to the free written instructions, which are on richtexturescrochet.com. So thank you so much for joining me. While you're here, I invite you to subscribe. Take a look around. This channel is updated every single week with free crochet patterns and stitch tutorials. Now our stitch today is worked in rows. So you're going to start by making a slip knot and then work a foundation chain. Your foundation chain today can be any number of stitches. So today I'm going to go ahead and just chain 21. Once you have that foundation chain worked, you're going to begin row 1 by working a double crochet into the 4th chain from your hook. Your chain 3 at the start will also count as a double crochet. You're then going to double crochet in each chain all the way across. At the end of row 1, you're going to chain 1 and turn your work. Your chain 1 does not count as a stitch. Now for rows 2, 3, and 4, you're going to work half double crochet slip stitches or yarn over slip stitches all the way across. So to work your yarn over or your half double crochet slip stitch, you're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the first stitch in this case, yarn over, draw up a loop, and draw it through all the loops, the 2 loops on your hook. That is your yarn over slip stitch, sometimes called your half double crochet slip stitch. You're going to repeat that all the way across. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, draw up a loop, and yarn over and pull through 2 loops on your hook all the way across. At the end of this row 2, you're going to chain 1, turn your work, and repeat. So you'll want to work 3 rows for rows 2, 3, and 4 of yarn over slip stitches, and then meet me back here at the end of row 4. When you come across at the end of that row 2, make sure that you're working your final stitch into the top of your turning chain. Chain 1, turn your work, and repeat. At the end of row 4, this is what your work looks like. Back and then your front. You're then going to, at the end of row 4, chain 2. If you wish, you can chain 3 and have this count as a stitch, but I'm going to chain 2 and turn your work. Now for row 5, you're simply going to work a double crochet into the top of that first stitch. Your chain 2 does not count as a stitch, and then double crochet into each stitch all the way across. As for the repeats in this pattern, that is it. For the rest of the pattern, you're simply going to repeat your rows 2, 3, 4, and 5, then fasten off and weave in your ends. And that's all there is to working the Subtle Lines stitch. So thank you so much for joining me once again. I invite you to subscribe. If you haven't already, I also invite you to take a look at my brand new, new this month, book, Barn Quilt Blankets. It is a booklet that includes the patterns for 5 beautiful, easy to work crochet blankets using some of my favorite crochet stitches. It's linked down in the description of this video, also up there in the cards. I hope you enjoy. So thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Until next time, happy crocheting. Bye.